Hello, and welcome to the Cycles Report for Thursday, October 10th, 2024. Who will you be? Thursday brings the first full day of the moon in Capricorn and the first day of the first quarter phase. We are likely to find ourselves stepping out and taking action toward our goals. It helps to know with Capricorn, we benefit more with restructuring or foundational repair versus starting something totally new. Jupiter stations retrograde around 3 a.m. Eastern Standard at 21 degrees of Gemini, a barn dance. We can expect the planet of expansion in retrograde to be a bit more restrictive. Interestingly, with Saturn, the restrictor, retrograde, we find both planets acting contrary to normal expectations. At a barn dance, the focus is on happiness felt by participating in everyday community activities. This is a very Gemini Sabian, which focuses on socializing and working in groups. At the lower end, we have to watch out for using others to make our lives interesting or using busyness as an excuse to avoid dealing with personal problems. We can anticipate that this will be the lesson felt by this degree and that another marking point will be April 30th, 2025, when Jupiter is back at this position. Our aspect of the day is Mercury opposite Eris at 1:34 p.m. We have the eagle and a large white dove turning into each other, intensifying a man possessed of more gifts than he can hold. Can we assume that maybe for the man to hold his gifts, he must transform into an eagle and a dove? He may have the choice of being one or the other as well. Each of our journeys is different. Said another way, our communication is undergoing an intensification around liberation. How are we breaking free, or through? I believe it is by becoming more than the labels society has given us and by being the best version of your higher self every day.